Fatherhood is a journey of love, responsibility, and leadership. In this advocacy video, we explore the importance of being a strong and compassionate leader as a father, guiding our children towards a bright and fulfilling future.
As a father, we have the incredible privilege and responsibility to shape the lives of our children. True leadership as a father goes beyond providing for their physical needs. It involves nurturing their emotional well-being, instilling values, and being a positive role model.
Leadership as a father begins with building a strong and loving relationship with our children. By spending quality time together, actively listening, and showing genuine interest in their lives, we create a foundation of trust and connection.
My father always encouraged me to dream big and believe in myself. He taught me the importance of perseverance and never giving up.
My dad leads by example. He shows us what it means to be kind, respectful, and compassionate towards others.
Effective leadership as a father involves teaching our children the importance of giving back to the community. By engaging in community service projects together, we not only make a positive impact but also instill a sense of social responsibility in our children.
And our dad always encouraged open communication and values our opinion. He listened to our ideas and helped us make decisions.
He teaches us to be independent and responsible. He guides us in setting goals and support us.
Leadership as a father extends beyond the walls of our home. By encouraging our children's passions, supporting their interests, and fostering a love for learning, we help them discover their unique talents and potential. Together, as fathers, let us lead by example and create a legacy that will impact our children's life for years to come. The power of fatherhood lies in our ability to shape the future through love, guidance, and the values we instill in our children.